So I'm getting ready to go to Charminar because it's Ramzan time. The collection is really good, so I wanted to go. It's actually a little late. I wanted to go early, and my eyes are a little swollen because I'm coming off of cold, and for some reason, my eyes also started to look red. Whole long period of cold thing. I badly need a haircut. Random things that keep popping up in your head when you're getting ready. I've used this sunscreen. It's called Sunhalt Gold, and it gives this nice glow. Lately, I've been loving this blush. It's from Earth Rhythm. It's a shade called Mermaid. It's such a pretty, natural looking pink, and I've set my under eyes. Just got this. Lakme recently launched this Vitamin C Super Glow Makeup Fixing Spray. Has a nice citrusy fragrance. Anyway, I use a makeup setting spray because if I'm going out for the long day, all I do is like sunscreen, blush and powder compact, and I want it to stay put. Satisfying. I prefer pencil to powder because it's easier. These are also new from Mars. This one, also I think this one is better. These are lip tints, by the way. They stay all day and they're not drying. Coincidentally got these in Charminar night market last year. I usually get plus size here at Gulshan, so let's check this out. You would have seen the store in my previous videos also. They have really good collection of sharara sets, long dresses and even saris, and they have plus size. So that's the reason whenever I go to Charminar like Madina area, I definitely try and check out the store. ये साइड कट के बिना थोड़ा फ्लेयर आता है ना, उस टाइप का है तो वो तो इजी आ जाएगा. They had some really good collection. The blue one is so pretty, and these are mostly priced between around 2,000 to 7,000 depending on the kind of work that they have and the heaviness of the work and the fabric and all that. So this black one is pretty basic, but the blue one is really good. This purple one also is so pretty. Some of them have stone work and some of them have like zardozi or other work, but these are not too shiny or chamkila type. They're like very classy. This one's also really nice for weddings, and I've seen two others which are so beautiful, especially the pink one. Look at the work on this one. Even the pants have such beautiful work, and the hands and the neck, the color is so pretty. This one has like a pretty dupatta too, and this mint green yellow one is perfect for like haldi or mehendi. I really like this one too. So these are all sizes, mostly at 48 to 50. Some of them have margin, some don't. This time I didn't see much of long dresses collection at the store for some reason, and normally you can order on WhatsApp or do a video call as well. Not during this busy Ramzan season, but otherwise you can do that and order online if you're not from Hyderabad. They also have like dress material sets, and this cotton was super soft. Open mat kijiye, sirf colors ke aaye dikhaiye. This bandhani set, the cotton fabric is so soft, and since I didn't get much luck in the dresses, I thought I'll go check out fabrics. This King Fabrics lane and the Madina Arch lane have a lot of fabric stores. This whole stretch has like Banaras dupattas and fabrics, and these that you see here are not of that great quality, but inside the lanes you'll find really good ones. And also you'll see these dress materials and even blouse materials with work. These are actually pretty good, and in bulk also, if you're purchasing for return gifts, you'll find blouse pieces here, and you'll also find petticoats in plus size, by the way. And I spotted a lot of these embroidered fabrics this time in that heart shape.
बनारसी दुपट्टा है प्योर.
ओके, ये भी सेम रेंज में है.
सेम रेंज के ये अलग है, वो अलग है.
Both Alishan and KBN Fashions, I'll leave the Google Maps link. They have really good fabrics and something that's always in trend. And opposite that, also you'll see King Taj Fabrics. It's a small store, but you'll see a lot of beautiful fabrics, everything that is basically trending. Look at these tissue fabrics. They have such beautiful work. You can make peplum top and a skirt or dresses out of it. This King Taj Fabrics also has really good Banaras fabrics, and they're priced pretty decently. And they also had digital print kalamkari and tissue fabrics this time. The quality is really good. There's a tiny store next to them which also has good fabrics. And in the Madina lane, I've spotted a lot of these jewelry this time. They're priced around 350 and they're pretty good. They don't look like real jewelry, of course, but they're like pretty nice temple style jewelry. And you'll also find this fabric store opposite Kashish. They have good net fabrics in cut pieces. You'll have to dig up a little. Some of them may look cheap, but you'll find good fabrics here also. And the entire stretch has these saris which are priced around 150 to 300. In these also I usually spot good ones. Next up, I went to Charminar. I was too tired of walking, so I took an auto from Madina and went to Charminar. And as you can see, it was super crowded and it was just till evening. And night market is usually also like really lit up, and they have a lot of beautiful stalls all set up right in front of Charminar. You'll see a lot of these earrings and accessory stores, and they have pretty good ones that you can wear for office, and even these nice beachwear kind of ones. A lot of stores selling bangles, sunglasses, jutis, bags, all set up in front of Charminar, and Ither also. You'll find really good fragrances here actually. I've asked to try strawberry and some fruit flavors. They're actually pretty good. And you'll see a lot of these shell earrings. This time I've spotted a lot of simple earrings in front of Charminar. In the Lad Bazaar lane, you'll see a lot of these Meenakari jhumkas and even Chand balis and the heavy wedding type of earrings. But you'll definitely find both. All these cute bow clips and other hair accessories that you see, and the furry clips which are actually in trend right now, all of these are like from 50 rupees to 100 rupees. And you'll see a lot of these stalls also. Once you enter the Lad Bazaar lane, you'll see bangle stores, of course, and other accessory stores also. In this stretch, you'll see a lot of bags shops which I really liked, and there's like one or two fabric shops also. There's one right in front of Charminar which you should definitely explore. This store is called Azam Famous, and they have really pretty bags. I really like the collection. They have both these western kind of bags, and they also have Indian potli bags, and these wedding wear collection is just so pretty. The stone collection is all priced too high, like they were quoting around 6-7,000, but the potli start from about 200, and they have really beautiful collection. In the Lad Bazaar lane itself, spotted these cocktail earrings, the long ones. They're just so pretty, and these are all for like 100 rupees. And then, of course, it was time for food, and we headed to Shadab. They started a fine dining place upstairs. I had some garlic naan and paneer curry. It was pretty yum. This time, I didn't get a chance to go to Milan fruit juice, but definitely must try. So that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the collection. I have a haul video coming up, and also some outfit from scratch videos coming up from the fabrics I got. So stay tuned for those, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel, and also find me on Instagram for quick hauls, mini reviews and all that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.